Hello everyone from SLAS2024. Join me on a quick tour of our trade show booth 909, where innovation meets precision. Our big news this year at SLAS is our groundbreaking high-density sample storage system with incredible sustainability benefits. The BioArc Ultra can replace up to 160 manual freezers and uses up to 77% less energy in the process, while storing up to 3 times as many samples. It also has a zero carbon emission potential. We also have sample informatics and LIMS solutions as part of our booth exhibit this year. When storing so many precious samples, you need systems to preserve and access essential data for each sample within your organization. We also offer multiomics and synthesis solutions. Proprietary technologies cover Sanger DNA sequencing, gene synthesis, molecular biology, next-gen sequencing, bioinformatics, and GLP regulatory services from our GeneWiz multiomics and synthesis solutions team. Next, we are at our consumables and instruments part of our booth, where we are catering for a variety of life sciences sectors such as biobanking, compound management, consumer genomics, synthetic biology, and basic research, and biospecimen sourcing, with one of the most extensive biospecimen collection capabilities in our industry. We have so much more to share with you, and we are eager to connect with you and understand your needs. We invite you to booth 909 so you can get to know Azenta better and how our products and services empower life sciences organizations worldwide to bring impactful breakthroughs and therapies to market faster. And don't forget to check out our tube lottery for a chance to win an amazing Azenta gift bag.